Hello and welcome. Now discuss the current situation of the market. As all of you guys noticed that this is the current situation of the GBPUSD currency pair. First of all, we discuss the GBPUSD currency pair. Now take a look at that. According to morning situation, we suggest that we take a buy entry above the 1.1857 level if the market break above that. So market cannot hold above that situation, and moving average 50 is continuously pushing the price in the bearish direction. So as for GBP/USD currency pair, unless the market is holding below that area, the market is in the bearish direction, and our next target is, according to the technical analysis, if the market is continuously holding below the moving average 50 exponential and continuously holding below the 1.1930 area, we suggest that our next target is 1.16 as the take profit limit too. So this is the situation of the GBP/USD currency pair. Now take a look about the Euro/USD currency pair. As Euro/USD currency pair is trading in the bullish direction, in the morning timing we suggest that market is holding above this 0.9965 level. So our next target is approximately up to the 1.005 you can say 60 level. So market cannot manage to go toward that level, and now testing again that level. This will suggesting that if the market continue to hold below the moving average 50 exponential, our next target must be in the selling direction, and market will go toward the further bearish direction toward the 0.9850 level. Now take a look at the you can say next currency pair, USDJPY. USDJPY currency pair still holding its strength above the 1.136.30 level. As in the morning we suggest that market must take retracement in the selling direction from this you can say neckline that we made. So we are not wanting to waste your time, so we analyze the market. So market is still holding above the 136.30 level. This will continuously suggest that unless the market is holding above that, it will make go in the bullish direction. So if the market close any H4 candle below that area 136.30, then the sell entry is perfect. Otherwise, the buy opportunity is valid. So now let's talk about the other currency pair, that is you can say gold market. Now take a look at the gold market. As in overall situation is that market is making a pull up from the 1727 level, and also market is holding outside this broken H4 channel, and market is in the morning time we suggest that the scenario is bullish, and if the market make the bullish up to the 1780, unless the market is holding above that, market make approximately $10 bullish move up to the 1764 or 1765 area, then make a pullback. Now overall, according to the H4 time frame, market is holding below the EMA 50, and H4 candle is again break the 1756 level. So the trend for today is now bearish temporarily, and for next day also bearish if the market continue to hold below the EMA 50. Now take a look at the you can say crude oil market. As in the morning timing we suggest that crude oil is market is bullish, and our next target is up to that level 98 level 99 level, but the market cannot manage to hold above the 94.60 level. So we suggest that if the H4 candle now close below that area, and then again market follow this double top pattern and continue toward the downside move toward the 91.80 level tomorrow. So hopefully you guys understand this update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.